Ever feel like your head is about to explode from all the stress? Or like you're running on fumes after a long, crazy day? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to let stress control your life. There's a super simple solution: breathing. But not just any kind of breathing. We're talking about some seriously wacky, stress-busting breathing hacks that you'll want to try right away. The secret to busting stress is all about how you breathe, not how much. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with 5 of the wackiest breathing techniques that'll help you feel instantly calm, centered, and like you've just stepped out of a spa day. And hey, don't miss out, because at the end, I'll show you a mind-blowing breathing hack that's been proven to reduce stress faster than you can say Om. But first, let's dive in. Take a deep breath and let's get started. Ever wanted to feel like a fire-breathing dragon? Well, now you can. This isn't just for medieval fantasy lovers, people. It's a seriously awesome breathing technique. The fire-breathing dragon is not only a fun way to release stress, but it also works wonders when you're feeling tense or overwhelmed. Here's how to do it. Start by sitting up straight. Take a deep inhale through your nose, and then exhale through your mouth with a loud, controlled hissing sound. Try it a few times, and you'll immediately feel the tension starting to melt away. The reason this hack works is because you're engaging your diaphragm, that big muscle under your lungs, pushing out all that stale air and giving your lungs a real workout. It's like you're forcefully letting go of the negative energy that's been building up inside you. So why does this work so well? Well, breathing like a dragon activates your so-called parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for helping your body relax. It also increases the oxygen flow to your brain, making you feel more awake, alert, and focused. Plus, let's be honest, hissing like a dragon is super fun. And who doesn't need a little fun when stress is looming over you like a storm cloud? So the next time you're feeling anxious, whether it's before a big presentation or just another stressful day at work, channel your inner dragon. Take a big breath, exhale with power, and watch your stress fly away like smoke from a dragon's mouth. Who knew breathing could be this fun? Okay, if you thought the dragon was cool, wait until you try the lion's roar. Now I know it sounds a bit ridiculous, but trust me, this is one of the most effective and energizing breathing techniques you can use. Lions are the kings of the jungle, and they know how to stay calm and focused, even in the most chaotic situations. If they can do it, so can you. Here's the deal. Sit up straight, take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let out a loud, forceful "Ha!" just like a lion roaring in the wild. It's not only super satisfying to do, I promise you'll feel like a boss, but it also helps you release pent-up tension in your chest and stomach. It's like giving yourself a mini power-up with every roar. The reason the lion's roar works so well is that it forces you to engage your core muscles and take a full, deep breath. Your body can't help but feel energized and calm at the same time. Plus, this technique helps open up your lungs and chest, improving oxygen flow and clearing out all that stress. You're literally taking your stress by the horns and roaring it away. And here's the best part. You don't even have to do this in front of an audience, unless you want to, of course. You can do it in private, right in your living room, even in the bathroom, without anyone knowing. And let's be real, there's something deeply satisfying about letting out a big "ha" after holding in so much tension. You'll feel empowered, confident, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. So roar, baby, roar. Now, let's get a little sneaky with our breathing. This hack is called the sneaky nose technique, and while it might sound simple, it's incredibly effective. You're going to take small, slow breaths through your nose, but here's the key. Extend the exhale. Make your exhale longer than your inhale. Why does this work? Because longer exhales activate your body's relaxation response. Here's how you do it. Start by sitting comfortably. Inhale gently through your nose for about 4 seconds. Nothing too deep, just a regular breath. Then, exhale slowly through your nose for 6 to 8 seconds. You'll want to imagine you're blowing air out like you're trying to cool down a hot bowl of soup. The key is to make the exhale longer and smoother than the inhale. Why is this so great? This technique sends a direct signal to your brain that says, "Hey, we're not in danger. We can relax now." If you've been feeling stressed, anxious, or just too busy, this simple technique can instantly lower your heart rate, relax your muscles, and bring your body back to a calm state. The sneaky nose is super discreet, which makes it perfect for moments when you can't afford to make a scene. Like during a stressful meeting, on a crowded subway, or even when you're feeling overwhelmed while grocery shopping. Just take a deep, slow inhale through your nose, exhale slowly and silently, and you'll be feeling cool as a cucumber in no time. It's almost like you're secretly resetting your body's stress levels without anyone even knowing. Here's one that's perfect for those moments when you feel like you're spiraling into stress mode. Welcome to the elevator breath. Imagine you're in a calm, peaceful elevator, slowly rising and descending, while all your stress floats away. This is a great one to try when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. It helps you focus on calm imagery while engaging your breath in a super relaxing way. Here's how it works. As you inhale, imagine that you're slowly rising in an elevator. Take about 4 seconds to inhale, filling your lungs and letting the air rise with you. Then, hold your breath at the top for a moment. This is when you're at the top of the elevator, just taking in the view. Finally, as you exhale, imagine the elevator slowly descending, letting all your stress fall away as you breathe out for 6 seconds. This hack is fantastic because it not only helps you breathe slowly and deeply, but the visualization element tricks your brain into thinking it's in a calm, controlled situation. It helps you get back to the present moment and shakes off the anxiety. Plus, you'll feel like you've just taken a little mind elevator ride to Relaxation Central. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even start this technique while you're waiting for the elevator at work. It'll be like a little mental escape without having to leave the building. Our final wacky hack is called the silent sigh. It is a technique that involves breathing in through your nose and sighing out silently through your mouth. Sounds simple, right? But the magic happens when you do it repeatedly, as it helps activate your relaxation response. Here's how it works. Inhale deeply and quietly through your nose, and as you exhale, let out a gentle, silent sigh. It's like you're breathing out all the negativity, the stress, and the frustration without making a sound. The beauty of this technique is that it works almost instantly, and you can do it anywhere. At work, at home, in a meeting, or even while sitting in traffic. The silent sigh helps you feel more relaxed because it activates the part of your nervous system responsible for rest and recovery. Plus, it's a super stealthy way to calm yourself down when you're in a public setting and don't want to draw attention. It's like giving your body a little secret hug from the inside. The best part? The more you practice, the more effective it becomes. Over time, your body will associate this simple action with a sense of relief, making it even easier to shift into a relaxed state whenever stress creeps in. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, take a moment, breathe in, sigh out, and let the silent sigh work its quiet magic. So there you have it, 5 wacky breathing hacks to bust stress in an instant. Whether you're hissing like a dragon, roaring like a lion, or sighing like a ninja, you now have some seriously fun and effective tools to calm your mind and body. Don't forget to comment below about which breathing hack you'll try first. And don't miss our next video, 5 mind-blowing hacks to feel happier instantly. And if you want to take your relaxation to the next level, be sure to check out Music with Anna for mindfulness coaching, relaxation techniques, and music lessons.